What's going on, guys? Back with you with round two. I promised it for you, and today I'm gonna deliver. Remember when we reviewed the HeimVision HDM2 battery powered with optional solar panel device to keep the battery charged. There's an internal battery, completely wireless. Mount it, set it, and forget it. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that in the description box below, as with the product, so you can read more about it. Pick one up yourself. You guys in the UK, you guys are always linked in the description box below as well. I will have both the camera and the optional solar panel to keep this charged. Let's go ahead and open it on up, show you how it works. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. Here's the camera, and again, watch that video. I have full specs on that, showing you footage, etc., but we are going to be concentrating on the solar panel for this video here. So this is a very nice solar panel. This is the HMS1, and I will have this linked in the description box below of the video as well. A little quick start guide and a nice panel. This is a panel that is going to be beefy, and even if you want to somehow, you tech guys are able to connect this to multiple devices, not just this one with a little splitter, that's up to you, but we are looking absolutely fantastic there. You guys are definitely wondering about this. So the power is 3W, voltage is 5.5 volt, and the cable length is 13 feet, and there is the model number there. The cable runs right from the back, and we do have a screw-on tripod mount right here, which we're gonna get to in a second, or some regular flat mounts. It's up to you how you want to mount that. And the end of it has a micro USB with a nice silicone backing, so that would insert directly into the back of your camera, which we're going to show you in just a second. Here is the provided mount for it here. We do have screws that it comes with drywall anchors as well, and your screws. That's going to do it for the box, but those obviously would go right in the back of this here. And that is a steel mount there, and you have your twisties here. You have your twisty here, and that is able to go up, down, all around, being able to obviously tighten that guy up, and that's not going anywhere. Loosen that guy on up and mount it how you want to right there. And obviously that would screw on to the back of this right here, just like this here. And so this is mounted in the wall, and then that would fold flat, fold up, go to the side, and then when you obviously have your desired angle there, then you screw this to the tighten position, and that holds that in place there, getting the sun in the perfect angle that you desire. I'm not seeing the size specs in the manual, so let's go ahead and measure this out. This would be the length here is 7 inches. The width is going to be 6 inches. And obviously the height is going to be like 1/2 inch. So what you simply do is you take your camera, you remove the silicone backing of the camera that it comes with, take the back of the solar panel here, and we just literally plug and play straight in like that. Now we are up and running, ready to rock and roll. Now they do want you to have it at an angle, just in case the weather elements, snow or rain comes on it, it wants it to hit it and go ahead and trickle off of the panel. So if it's completely flat, it might catch rainwater, snow on there. It is water resistant, but again, they do want you to have it at an angle for runoff. Now, if you do have a window like this that receives direct sunlight that pours in, unfortunately, my window right here does not have enough direct sunlight, so you would need to mount this on the other side of the wall. But if you do have the other side, which are my neighbors over here, they have the west-facing wall, which receives in California the sun in the afternoon. Then you would be able to put it up. So just go ahead and place it again. If you're gonna go with the solar panel option, it does need to have direct sunlight, obviously through a direct window or outside mounted somewhere where it receives sunlight during the daytime. So out here by the garage, we receive a lot of direct good sunlight here, fully on the solar panel with no shadowing at all. You're looking at a few hours to fully charge the battery there. So we are looking absolutely fantastic. We're just going to be putting it right there. That is obviously not the permanent solution for the mounting, but for demonstration purposes, we will show you that. Again, beautiful direct light. So here we have the camera hooked up down in the garage with our solar panel connected. Let's go ahead and look in the top right section and you will see that it is charging. The green indicator light charge symbol is charging, and according to the manual, it will take a couple hours in direct sunlight to fully charge the camera, and that is to keep it charged. And these cameras, again, last a very long time. And this actually is the same camera that I had in my other video that was picking up motion detection. That has been over a month and a half, not with video recording, but motion detection, which happens multiple times a day. I want to say probably 20 times a day, plus the indicator that you see right now, that took like a month and a half to bring it down that far. These batteries last a long time, but with the solar panel right now, I'm charging this one back up. And this was the angle of it coming right back here as we saw that beautiful shot. So overall, guys, I'm very impressed and happy with the solar panel optional, but not to mention the camera system. Again, if you have not already watched that video, again, that will be linked in the description box below. Not to mention my other security camera review by them. This is a wireless, as long as it has power, but it wirelessly connects to this box. And I have my hard drive in here for my indoor camera system there. That is also by the same company. Those links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If it has helped you make an informed decision, hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. We got a lot more fun things on this channel. We'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.